So this is our job, to find something that matches this roof shingle. We really are not sure if these shingles are gonna look right. We bought a hoarder house, and after getting all their stuff out, we still have work to do.
All right, it is time to replace partial of this roof right here. What happened before was there's no ice guard under here. As you can see, it's just felt paper. And when the ice and stuff melt, it just goes up in the shingles, behind the shingles, and then it'll rot out these gutter boards. And that's what happened. And that's why we had to put up new gutter boards all the way down the line on each side of the house. So what we're doing is going up 3 feet. I'm taking all that off, putting down our ice guard, and throwing some new shingles on, and let's get it. So right now it's late in the day, but we still about to work. We still got some sunlight for some heat. So we're gonna have to do this on both sides. So right now, about to tear up the shingles and throw down the ice guard and throw the shingles down.
On the mission, hustling, trying to get it. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it.
So after getting about 3 feet of the shingles up, it was time to get rid of the old felt paper.
I don't see competition, I just see tunnel vision. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it.
Put up all the shingles, got the shingles from underneath these ones here. So we got to this point, and now what I'm about to do is take this broom and sweep off all the dust, and then lay my ice guard down. Let's get to it. And then after I lay that down, tack that down, I'm gonna get something to eat on, you feel me? And then we'll be able to throw the shingles down.
Gotta stick to the flow and get my own. Every since a youngin', me and baby on our own. Turn 19, we was in our own, that's on.
While installing this ice guard, Ty was fighting with gravity and wind. He was trying to get it to a point where he could at least nail it, even though it really has a self-adhesive that would have worked a lot better if the sun was out.
But I'm on the mission, hustling, trying to get it. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. My daughter needs tuition for a new family business. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it.
And after that long fight, it was finally time for the shingles. This was like a dun 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 moment because we really are not sure if these shingles are gonna look right. He went ahead and laid down the felt paper. Do you think it'll look right?
All day long I'm hustling, trying to feed my family. Without them I ain't nothing. But watch all fam, cause some you can't trust some. Man, I got some stories that'll make you start cussing. But really, I'm just trying to make a milli though. I dropped out of college, but got the same job I was schooling for.
They say you should choose your battles well, and this was not one to fight for. My baby did such a good job that it made the new shingles really stand out. So we decided to just go ahead and start fresh. Ty got right back to work, getting those old shingles out of there with no hesitation.
I wanna be rich, 100 acres in the mountains, and the ghost statue of me flexing in the fountain, and I'm gone. But I'm on the mission, hustling, trying to get it. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. My daughter needs tuition for a new family business. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. These people won't get it, making designer rich. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. I don't see competition, I just see tunnel vision. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it.
All right, so we got the one side tore off. I'm about to tear off this other side here. I done pulled off the ridge cap. Look at this. That's crazy. Roaches in the shingles. This is crazy. But I'm about to get that tearing off this other side here. I just had somebody come measure the roof to give me a quote. So they told me it was 17 squares. I'm gonna let y'all know the math. This hole area is 1,052 square feet. The way you get your squares is divide that 1,052 by 100, and you're gonna get 10.2, I think. So that's 10 squares. I don't know how the heck they got 17 squares, but I'm gonna let them know my measurements because I ain't about to pay no extra, if I even pay. So I'm getting ready to tear this off. It's about to rain the next 2 days, so I got a big tarp. We're gonna tarp the whole roof down, cover that up for the rain, but shoot, while I'm here, I'm about to just get the ripping off this shingles right here. I can't even really set up my camera. I'm gonna have to get one of them little head joints so I can, you know what I'm saying, like a GoPro, so y'all can see what I'm doing, because sometimes we can't set up a camera and it's right here on this slope. I can try to put it right here on this ridge, but I got a feeling the wind probably gonna take it and take it down on the ground. I know it was running, but yeah, let me go ahead, get to tearing this off, do something while I'm here. And I also gotta replace this wood in between some of these spots. Like this stuff is rotted, so I got some plywood I'm just gonna stack up and replacing some of these pieces here. I'm gonna cut out this little section right here because all that kind of a little raggedy. And we got a big hole over there. But yeah, just trying to get this sealed up. I was thinking about paying somebody so it can go quicker, but I've been here damn weeks. I did install the green shingles that was down there, but after looking at it, it didn't match the shingles that was here, as y'all can see here. So it was kind of a big difference. You can see it, and the way we want to do stuff, man, it just wasn't matching. We want our houses to look right, look like you're getting a quality house, and by having that, it's just gonna look raggedy. So we ain't gonna do it. We don't like the color green on the roof, because then you're gonna have to match everything else. That's what it look like in the inside of the house. That's some natural light though. We getting there. Gotta replace some wood up there, fill in some of those little gaps right there. Got some little 1-bar strips. I can slide in between those. Yeah, we gonna wrap that felt paper on there. We only got one day to really cover this crap up. Probably gonna cover it with felt paper. If I can get some help, then be able to throw all the shingles on there, at least on this one side before it starts raining. But until the next day.
So after removing the old and new shingles, he's nearly done. What color roof do you think would look good on this house?
Going after goals, I ain't got no time to waste. City getting sticky, but I still keep the pace. Trying to beat me when I never called the race. Thought it was real love, turned out the was fake. Can't fuck up my motion. Cruise, now we coasting. Make my own wave like a boat that's in the ocean. Get took by the tide, but you gotta stay focused. Losing the track of time, I leave you wide open. Can follow them because I'm going the other way. Chasing after paper, trying to redirect the way. I'll just make my own while y'all trying to follow ways.
Oh my God. Dang. So much for a nice clean floor.